Nelo don dey beg for money to japa. This one shook my bone marrow. Wetin I hear? Nelo dey beg for money to japa. Japa mean to leave Nigeria, to get passport. My passport, my passport. Oh, a lot to for this word. Hey, my people. Me have to welcome my people. If you don't watch this video, you just drop comments. Watch this video from the beginning to the end before you drop your opinion. Not just watch the intro. You just drop. No. Watch from the beginning to the end. Yes, so welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is your first time of coming across this my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. Yeah. If you like this channel, if you like what I do, and if you like me in person, do well to subscribe. Okay, I can't wait to have you in my channel. Thank you for your love. All my returning, God bless you all. I'm loyal, una daughter, una sister, wherever you take me for. I'm so loyal. Okay, yes, let me congratulate this our beautiful sister first. I don't already congratulate her for my community. NELO OKEKE, congratulations to your 100 subscriber and your planker, no be planker on the color, YouTube gift. Yeah, make me put her like that. And another of our beautiful sister, sReality. Congratulations, mama of 3 boys. Yes, it already give your name. Praise, welcome to this world, the world of milk and honey. Now the milk and honey inside this world, then go follow you. Oh, welcome, my prince. Okay. Yes, let's dive into this. Our beautiful sister. This our video. NELO OKEKE about her japa and having passport. No, this is our passport exchange about NELO OKEKE to japa out of Nigeria. Yes, my beautiful sister NELO OKEKE, she dropped video yesterday. Then I watched her. She talked about many of us, we like to save money for future, not enjoy your money now. Yes, my beautiful sister, you know Nigeria, as she still talk, you say no, like insurance for Nigeria. Anything can happen, you know, and her husband be na type of when he like to invest. And family, when she for come out, na family when they like to take risk and they invest for so many business. Talk about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 business, you know. But she loves to save. And she still talk say, if you get opportunity, maybe you want to buy something or maybe you want to use something for yourself, use something for yourself. For her, she go always get something for children, do this. I picked some part inside when she talks, say, some people, they keep money for future and our parents don't really teach us about money aspects. And for school, then when they go to school, they don't teach them about the money aspect, how to. But I feel they see class of how to manage money, business, this, that's I don't know. But then when they go, now wanna go. You know, for me, what I say for the is true. But if you come out for family when they be business women, as our beautiful sister talk, NELO OKEKE, I believe that you know how to handle money. You know how to make use of money. Yes. If you come out of, at least if your mama, they say pure water, your mama, they say anything, your mama gets shop, your mama gets store, you don't already get that idea of how to manage money. Yes, for me, that is how I look that part. Okay, the second part, when she still talk about maybe buy something, maybe she will come go buy it for children, she will live like me for my own aspects. Like if you get enough of money, maybe for example now, I love to buy something for myself, you know, I love to buy something for myself. Then the money when I get is not enough for me to buy for myself, then I will better prefer to buy for my children. If my children, they are okay, me, I'm okay. Yes, my children, anything now for my life now, my children first, you know, not for me. Yes, it's good for me to please myself, you know, but my children, it's good for me to displease myself. Drop your comment in the comment section. What do you think? Is for me, it's better I displease myself than I will please my children. Yes, for that one. Okay, talk about Japa. When I talk, say NELO they beg. Okay. Why I talk say NELO they beg? She's not begging. Okay, my beautiful sister, you know, so you say, maybe we go our channel, go cry. And I make me call my channel, go cry. So, okay, and just click bait. Now, about our country, no hope for our youths and our women, our brothers, our fathers, no hope for them. I remember when my Oga say, at least, he father school for UK, but then Nigeria was good. But Nigeria, if father, he go back to Nigeria, go work. Why? Many people when you go school for UK now, many of them don't want to go back to UK and go back to Nigeria. They want base for UK because our economic, no job. When you finish school, no job. I will get some people for this my state. You know, I say this my state, France. Now student state. Some of them, some go school finish, they go because their parents. When some finish to go back now lie, they not risk and go back. Sorry for that call when come in. Why it be like that? Now because of say they know say if they from here go back home, no job, nothing they go do. Then they prefer to because here once you finish school, they not renew your visa again. They'll tell you say you don't finish school, maybe you go back to your country. Except as you finish school, you just see the work. Wait till you learn. If now bank, now you learn. Now you go for now you study for school for France. You need to go see that bank to take work. If you see another, they'll renew your visa. But if you not see bank, you they not count you put again. You need to go back to your country because you already finished the school. Now be there. You don't finish the school, then you go back to your country where you for come for. Where you for come. Sometimes self they go see say it even happen to somebody. They always say they like 6 months to finish or 1 year to finish. They will start to stress you for this my city. They'll start to stress you. They don't want to renew visa for you again. Now the school go come the right. That one for that one. You see like this my sister when you say she want buy passport. Hey, Nelo. Nelo. That is no hope for Nigeria. You see? Now make me they pray say may God bless our country and may God give us good leader. Now France person go say you want go Africa now go look for passport. No. I been America citizen go say she want go Nigeria, Africa, go buy passport. No. And this my beautiful sister. So if like say 2 of her children, be 3 of her children now, America for born now. She now she want just buy passport because you know say her children already get American passport because when you born for America, your children once they reach 18 and how many years, automatic citizen of America. Then she just fight for her own. She go love to buy passport, but she not love to jackpot from now. Hey, no hope for my country. Hey, Nigeria, my country. My leaders. Now they watch all those our videos. I know so now they watch them. Policy. Now they know. Once they enter that throne, they don't forget all their promise. No hope. No hope. See? So my sister say the only thing when they look for now to buy passport, she fit dey travel. But from now to 10 years, she never say she will jackpot for Nigeria. Nigeria is not secure. You see? What we can get to do, may we vote the right person. May we try come out vote. If you come across this my YouTube and you are in Nigeria, try vote. Not tire. Now our vote, now be our power, now be our strength. If we go in street, they do riot, they do this, they do that. Now lie. Now our vote, now be our power, our strength. If you can vote, we vote Buhari, you know, favor. No give up. You vote another one when you want vote now. We don't know the one you want vote now. If they don't still do well, another term still come out, go still vote. Till we vote the right person. I think I see Dubai. God can do anything. If God bless us, not be only president. We need all the leaders, president, governor, senator, house of assembly, anyone. We need all good. Because if we get good president and our house of assembly, our governor, our local chairman, all those council, they are not good. Nigeria not still go anywhere. At least as president, now president will always say president, not be only president. Not be president will come to me and you state. Now our governor go do our state. Now our governor go release money, give each local government so that maybe they do that is their local government. Maybe they do one. You they say so everything not just be government president. We need good leader. May God give us good leader. This my beautiful sister when you want jackpot for Nigeria. If you get the money, as she talks, say if you get money, you go buy passport. And if you want to go buy passport, I know so you don't know all those one. You when you never know. If you get money, you want to buy passport. Once you get that money, look, say you want to buy house. Once you buy house for any country, you are entitled to get their paper. Yes. Here, if you buy house, you get money. You want to go Australia. You want to go America. You want to go here. You want to go. Hey, problem too much for this Nigeria. You want to go anywhere. Once you feel buy house for that country, you are entitled for their document. You are entitled for their pali. You are entitled for because you already invest for the country. Yes. You don't know before. If you don't know, you think you don't know now. My people, now waiting, I died to talk. Waiting, this our beautiful sister. And she still talks, say, don't let money control you. A lot of people, money, they control them. That one, 100% true. He said she pray, may money not control her. And she needs somebody when you go to help her to manage money. My sister, NELO pounds dollar. How much in dollar? Oh, AJ and Sandra. Now make me they miss that language. How much is pounds and dollar? My sister, call me. I'll help you manage your money. Oh. Yes. You hear me right? You hear me? I'll help you manage your money. Call me, Naija Daughter. See, if say me anybody, in fact, if you fit, say, may you email her for Instagram, for this. Me, I know they email you, my beautiful sister. Nelo, I know they email you. Me, I dey send you my message now from my channel for Naija Daughter TV. If you want me, I manage your money. Now that pounds and dollar. Now me not there for naira. That pounds and dollar. Now there me want to help you to manage. You say many people money they control that. That is true. That's true. Some people when they never see money, once they see money, you when they say, hey sister, hey my brother, oh honey, oh this, you turn to their shit. They'll say, wait till you they count, they don't they count them. Then the money go they rule them. When some, no matter how they get that money, they still remain who they be. They still remain their self. That is true. Some people, money they really control them. As she told you, say, may God not let money control you. If you be one of them, when money they rule, when you not can see who be your brother or your sister or your senior or your mother or your father because you don't get money, collect sense. Collect sense. Don't let money control you. Be the control of the money because now you use your sweat and your brain to hustle that money. Don't let that money control you. Be the controller of that money. Now, this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. You can drop your own opinion. Wait till you think about wait our NELO OKEKE. If you never watch that her video, go watch it. Now the 2 cents when me pick for inside that video. Me I take create my video. Now I collect to a lot day there. Yeah, she talk a lot. Okay, you can go straight to her house and watch her video. No cry for her channel. If you get anything when you want cry, go to your channel, go cry. And if you say you not be channel owner, go to the top of your bed, hold your pillow. Hey, Nelo, you want to japa. You dey beg for money. You know they beg for money. Oh, if you watch her from the beginning to the end, Nelo not the beg for money. He say if somebody who come, she dey hustle. If somebody now, if you add to her money, she go collect. Now just on extra, you understand? That is as she dey now. The people go they say, wait till she ring me about that part. Say people go they say, save for future. Say her children. Normal Europe. Oyibo man go tell you say if pikin go work for her money. If pikin enter secondary school or university, no secondary school for France, they will buy that pikin car. That's all. They will help her start. Then he or she does start life. Now wait till I believe say Nelo they talk. Say at least may we live our best life and now wait till I fix say she talk. Yeah, she not beg for money. Oh, you say maybe not let money control you. Live your life as you feel living. And she go buy passport. I wish her good luck for her to see that money fast to buy passport. If they ever give her money now, that one now double blessing for her. She the hustle all those pounds and dollar. She not the touch and she suffering living for there. You see. Hey, I wish you good luck, my beautiful sister Nelo. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please drop your beautiful comment, not drop hate comment. Okay, watch this video to the end. You see, say I not talk say she dey beg for money, na jokes. Okay, drop your opinion. What you think about with our beautiful sister talk. You can go to our platform, go watch it. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.